Welcome to today's assembly. Please stand quietly for the national anthem.
Australians all at heart rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
We would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe Gunai Kurnai as the traditional custodians of the land. At the school, we recognise the elders and the cultural space they had before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people in the Gunai Kurnai tribe for the land we are meeting on today.
We want to make sure all our students are safe at school, and if you are sick or hurt, you get the help you need as quickly as
I'm
possible.
going to first aid.
At the moment, many students are coming to first aid who don't really need to.
I feel sick. I need to go to first aid.
We need to keep first aid free for real emergencies.
My head hurts. I'm going to first aid.
What are you doing, guys?
We're going first aid.
What's wrong? Why?
We're all very hurt.
Guys, why are you all here?
I snapped my leg. We're all very hurt.
Well, have you seen a yard duty teacher?
The first person you should find if you are sick or hurt is the yard duty teacher.
Needed to see a yard duty teacher and then you can get a pass to come inside.
I hit my head.
They have a first aid bag that has most of the things you need to make you feel better.
Skills. You'll be alright. Okay, thank you. Excuse me?
Yes.
I'm feeling very sick. And I just vomited all over the ground.
You should probably go to first aid.
Okay, are you giving me permission?
Sometimes the yard duty teacher will decide to send you to first aid for more help.
Oh, my leg! What happened?
I broke my leg. Oh no. You really badly need to go to first aid. Come with me.
Help! I think Eli needs urgent help.
Oh no. I will not be able to get you to first aid. Let me call help.
If someone is seriously injured and can't be moved,
Someone is
the yard duty teacher has a walkie-talkie and can call for help.
Mr. Hawkes. Thank you, Mr. Hawkes. When, how did you do that?
Fell off the playground.
Oh no.
Climbing and snapped my leg.
Oh gosh, okay. Are you able to walk?
Not really.
Take a seat down, let's have a look at it.
Please, if you or a friend are hurt or injured, call the yard duty teacher first.
On Wednesday, we had the Lions public speaking competition.
Congratulations to everyone that participated.
A special congratulations to River and Mayuri, who are our school winners. Now for the joke of the week.
What do you call a fish that wears a bow tie?
I don't know, what do you call a fish with a bow tie?
Sophisticated.